Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching day 15 of the Hemline Sewing Advent Calendar. Wow, 15. 9 more days until Christmas. It flies by. Remember when we were kids and, oh, that last week just dragged by so terribly? Yeah, now my kids, 23 and 21. Oh, and I love going through Facebook with the memories. I truly do. There was one year, and Shelby says she doesn't remember this, but I remember it, and I even put it on Facebook, on the Facebook post, so it was a memory the other day. But she was talking how the wise men looked for the star, for Jesus. And we shouldn't just, we shouldn't be looking for Jesus just at Christmas time. Well, we had this light up star, and we had that thing hung up until it burnt out and died, because we had that up all year long, because you should look for Jesus all year long. And I now have another star hanging up that's not a light up, so it's not going to burn out. We can still leave that hanging up. Like I said, she says she doesn't remember it, but I do. But I love going through all my memories and the things that they said and the jokes. And oh, how I miss them being little. Day 15. Yeah. Enough of my waxing poetic about my kids. Which that's one. Oh, you want to talk about waxing poetic? When they were in kindergarten, Dave, he was telling me about how he played with a friend on the playground. And we talked about it, and I asked, I made an assumption that it was a boy. Her name was Brittany, with golden hair and sky blue eyes. So there I am, and I'm going, oh my goodness, my 5-year-old is waxing poetic about a girl's hair and her eyes. He is going to make some girl so very happy. He's very loving. Day 15. Alright. It says it's a brass Rit pin. R-I-T-T. I think that's what it says. It looks like an old-fashioned safety pin. I like it. Do you know what I think I'm going to do with this? We'll put some beads or something on it. Maybe get a little charm that's an old vintage sewing machine, and I'll put this on a scarf or a shawl or something. That is really neat. That's pretty. But no, I think that's one that we need to decorate up a little bit and put with a shawl. Very nice. I'm very happy. I have another little project to do. And my son, Dave, he has this sweater that he likes for Christmas, and it had these ornaments on it, and one of them had broken, and so he said, hey, I just cut the string off, and I noticed one of the other little ornaments that was on it was looking kind of a little ratty, and he said, well, I don't know what to do. I said, trust your mother. Trust your mother. So stay tuned. We're going to fix his sweater on camera. So lots of little things. I have a shirt that some of the beads, it had beads all the way around, and some of the beads have, of course, fallen off. But I found some little bunny buttons at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to sew little buttons on. I'm upcycling. Be sure to find us on Facebook, Crazy Dave's Crew, the Crazy Dave Ranch and Rabbitry, Thursday Threads Book Club, Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. Check out our links below. Do a little bit of shopping around. Lots of neat ideas. And you can definitely put on your wish list and give some hints to your loved ones that, this would be nice. Or if you have a sewing circle of friends, maybe you could, there's you some ideas for your friends. So be sure to check that out. There's no extra charge to you. Be sure to like and subscribe and share. That's the best thing you can do for me, is share our videos and to come back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Lots of exciting stuff, lots of calm, relaxing, getting ready for the holidays because it's getting close. But get all your projects done. And then sip on some tea and pet your fabric. And come back tomorrow for day 16. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.